Begin by coming in Tadasana, your hands beside your hips and shoulders relaxed, feet aligned and hip distance apart. Now turn left slightly and place your right foot 3 to 4 feet distance in a forward direction. And meanwhile, your left foot should be at about a 45-degree angle, slightly placed inward with the right foot. It's a warrior-like stance with the legs. Realign your hips and torso so you're facing forward and looking out in front. Raise your arms parallel to the floor with your palms facing the floor. Engage your shoulder blades and reach through the fingers in a forward direction. Bend your right knee to set up a 90-degree angle on an exhale. Keep your knee directly over the ankle and shin, perpendicular to the floor. Make sure you can still see your toes. From here, drop your hips so that your thighs become parallel to the floor. Now drop your left shoulder to reach the back of the left thigh through your left hand, and inhale as your right arm lifts and your fingers extend towards the ceiling. Allow your upper right arm to be close to your right ear. Lengthen through the waist and allow the hips to drop. Create an inward arch in the spine, sliding your left hand down to reach the left calf and tilt your head up in a backward direction. Hold for a few breaths and then begin to return on an inhale, dropping your arms to come back to a warrior two stance. Press through the back foot and straighten the right knee. Bring yourself back to Tadasana.